Today, I am reviewing the Senville Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of fighting over the thermostat or paying to heat and cool rooms that nobody is actually using, a multi-zone mini split system might be the upgrade you have been waiting for. I have been living with the Senville 28,000 BTU tri-zone system for the past 3 months, and while it has completely changed how I manage the climate in my home, it is definitely not the plug-and-play solution that some of the marketing might lead you to believe. Let's start with the biggest strength, which is the sheer efficiency of zone control. Having 3 separate air handlers connected to one outdoor condenser allows me to keep my home office ice cold during the day without wasting energy cooling the guest bedrooms or the living area. The temperature control is incredibly precise, and unlike central air, which often leaves hot spots in far corners of the house, these units push air exactly where you need it. The cooling performance is snappy, and the heating function is surprisingly robust, even when the temperature outside starts to dip. If you are looking for a way to stop paying for centralized air that doesn't actually reach your living spaces effectively, this is a massive step up. However, we need to talk about the installation because this is where most people get tripped up. The box arrives with everything you need, including the line sets and communication wires, but do not make the mistake of thinking this is a DIY weekend project. I have a fair amount of experience with home renovations, and I still brought in a professional to handle the vacuuming of the lines and the electrical connections. If you don't do this correctly, you will lose refrigerant, ruin the compressor, or end up with leaks that will cost you far more in repairs than the installation fee would have. If you are not comfortable working with high-voltage electricity and refrigerant lines, factor the cost of a pro into your budget immediately. You can check the links below the video to explore the current pricing and see the full specs, but keep that installation cost in mind before you pull the trigger. The smart features are a nice touch, and being able to adjust the temperature through the app or with Alexa is genuinely convenient. There is nothing quite like being able to bump the heat up in the bedroom while you are still lying in bed or cooling down the kitchen before you get home from work. That said, the initial setup for the Wi-Fi connectivity can be a bit finicky. It took me a few tries to get the units to handshake with my home network. Once it is set up, it works reliably, but don't expect a seamless 5-second pairing process. In terms of noise, these units are impressively quiet. The indoor handlers operate at a whisper, which makes them perfect for bedrooms where a noisy window unit would keep you awake all night. The outdoor condenser is also much quieter than a traditional central air unit, which is a big plus if your outdoor space is located near a patio or a deck where you like to spend time. Now, for the disappointments. While the build quality of the indoor units is perfectly fine, they are made of a fairly standard plastic that doesn't exactly scream high-end luxury. They are functional and unobtrusive, but they are clearly designed for utility rather than aesthetics. Also, the remote controls that come with the units feel a bit dated. They get the job done, but the screen is not backlit, which makes them frustrating to use in the dark. I found myself mostly ignoring the remotes in favor of the app for that very reason. If you're a homeowner looking to retrofit an older house that lacks ductwork, or if you have a home addition that your central system just can't handle, this Senville system is an excellent value. The 5-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty provides a decent amount of peace of mind, which is important when you are investing in a system that is meant to last for over a decade. You can find the current pricing and check out the technical details through the links below the video to see if it fits your specific square footage requirements. This is not the right system for someone who wants a temporary fix or someone who is on a very tight budget where the cost of professional installation would be a deal breaker. It is also not for someone who expects a perfectly silent house. No matter how quiet they are, you will hear the air moving when the units are running at full capacity. But if you want a permanent, efficient, and reliable way to control the climate in 3 distinct zones, this system is a workhorse. It has saved me a noticeable amount on my monthly utility bills, and the ability to customize my environment room by room is something I don't think I could ever go back from. Just make sure you account for the professional install, and you will likely be very happy with the results.